So welcome to Tiny Bytes. Today we're going to talk about the CVLI license. What is it? Why do I care? What teams use it the most? How can I look up my movie on the list? And what is Screen View? The website to remember is www.cvli.com. I'm assuming you have a web browser and a working internet connection, so let's go up to the top and go ahead and put that URL in, www.cvli.com. And when you hit enter, you're going to end up at a website that looks a little bit like this. If you don't have it, check up here where it says United States. If you click on it, you'll get other countries, so choose the one that you're in our case, US. But just in case it came out a little odd for you, that's how to fix that. CVLI stands for Church Video License. You may not have realized it, but First Unitarian has had a church movie license for several years to cover media use at our campus. Here's the basics you need to know about it. Through an agreement with studios and producers, the CVLI Church Video License provides legal coverage for churches and for other ministry organizations to show movies and other video programs intended for personal, private use only. Each organization needs to be specifically covered, and the coverage includes playing just a few minutes of a movie, like a snippet, or all the way up to showing the full-length movie, like for a movie night. Why do we care? Pre-recorded movies and other works, including DVDs and Blu-rays, and online streaming and digital downloads are authorized for personal, private use only. Special permission has to be granted for any public performance, and that includes churches. We count as a public performance. The Federal Copyright Act of 1976 says that violating can result in really big fines, up to $150,000 per infringement. So which teams are going to be impacted the most? That's religious education teams that might be showing the clips for movies in classes, worship teams that might be using movie clips in the service for Words for All Ages or other components, and fellowship teams that might be hosting a church movie night and similar. So how can you look up your movie if it's on the list and if it's covered? If you come over here for producers and you click on it, you see two packages, Total Producer Package and Family Values Package. We actually have the Total Producer Package. So if you click on that, you'll see this really long alphabetical list of the producers. Let's say you were the high school RE class and you're doing the curriculum called Popcorn Theology, and you're going to be doing the Back to the Future lesson. If you look on your Back to the Future DVD, you'll see that that movie was produced by Universal. So you can scroll all the way down, or you can use this scrolly thing to go a little bit faster here on the side and come down to the U's, almost there. Slowing down, we're in the T's. Here we go. You see that Universal Pictures is on the list, so you are allowed to use that in your lesson. If you scroll down to other ones, you'll see other ones listed, major ones, independent ones. We have a really generous movie license. So just double check that yours is covered before you're using it in your classes or in your worship. Another area I wanted to show you is this corner area called Screen View Vault. If you click on it, you will see that it's a topical directory. Say you have a certain theme in mind for worship, maybe friendship or gratitude. You could type it in here and click for searching and see what kind of movie scenes would have those themes. Another way to use it is to scroll down to the top movies, see what new movies are out, and choose the perfect parable from those films that you might want to use. And if you're not certain what movie might have it, you could find your scene by theme, or go ahead and click on it, View Themes. You'll see the list of things that they have already tagged that could be good themes. We have things like education, effort, ego, joy, friendship, revenge. You could just scroll down and explore the different kinds of themes, or if you already have it in your head what you wanted to use, you could type it in. What does it look like when you actually click on it? Let's choose friendship right here and click on it. You'll see the theme for friendship, and it'll see the list of movies that have possible uses for that topic. Shrek, donkey irritates the ogre while still wanting to be friends. And if you clicked on that, you would go to the Shrek movie. You'd have to sign in with our church login to be able to get more deeply into it, but you could also see Shrek has other themes. Here it has themes of confronting evil, fear, intimidation. It has another scene, that's the friendship one, being obnoxious, perseverance. The gingerbread man scene where he's talking about being tortured by the evil lords, like giving up, persecution, prejudice. You can see where this might give you ideas for words for all ages or other worship components to help you illustrate your point in your sermon. I invite you to visit the CVLI website and see how your ministry might be able to use this resource. Talk to you soon and have a good day.